Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Well, since everyone is here, we should get started. I think we will begin now. First, I'd like to welcome you all and thanks everyone for coming, especially at such short notice. I know you are all very busy and it's difficult to take time away from your daily tasks for a meeting. Please be relaxed. I am Muhammad Al Fatih. I usually call Fatih. Here my position as a leader of Humanica Social Service. I am from Faculty of Engineering and my major is Electronic Engineering. We are here today to discuss about final preparation for the Humanica Social Service activity. Before discussing, I want to introduce all you in charge of this social service event so that you all get to know them better and know their behind skin role. I'd also like to introduce Sigit. For Sigit, please turn on your camera and let introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Sigit Akbar. I'm usually called Sigit. I'm from the Faculty of Engineering, majoring in Informatic class of 2019. I've been joined in Humanica since 2019, and in Humanica, my position as secretary, and then here I assigned to accompany Fateh as secretary, and I think that's all.
Okay, that was a little introduction from my secretary. And the next to Surya, please to introduce yourself.
Okay. Good afternoon, friend.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I hope you are in good health. Okay, I will give a brief introduction about myself. My name is Surya Angga Kusuma. You can call me Surya. I am from the Faculty of Engineering majoring. I have been joined in Humanica since 2019 in Humanica. My position as treasurer and the hair is held in assigned as public relation. And think that as all.
Well, thanks. That was the introduction from Surya. He was assigned as public relation in this event. One more thing that is not less important that is introduction from event section to the event section. Please introduce yourself.
Okay. Thanks. Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks before us. Thanks before. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Introduction. My name is me Lukman. Usually called me. I'm from engineering faculty. My major is informatic engineering class of 2012. I have been joined in Himanika since 2020, and in Himanika I'm just a member, and this event I signed as event section. Okay, thanks Al.
Yeah, thanks to Lukman. Next, we will discuss the final preparation for the Humanica Social Service activity. So here we will discuss the final rundown of the social service event. The first thing we will discuss is the day for the closing of the social service event. The second is the place for the closing of social service, and the third closing event rundown. And the fourth resource person to motivate as well as provide posture. Well, the first is about the day. What do you think the day that allow them to attend the closing ceremony of the social service?
I think Saturday is better because generally Saturday is a lost time for the
I prepare Sunday because generally Sunday are a holiday for all works.
If this Saturday I don't agree because Sunday is a Christian of Christian day of worship. So I think there will be a lot of Christian social assistance participants who can attend the event. So I am more sweet that Saturday.
Okay, so for the closing of the event, what if it is held on Saturday? Do you agree?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay, please, Secretary, to take note.
Okay.
The second, from the place of implementation, how it is, my friend.
I'm sorry, Fatih. What if it is held outdoors?
Oh yeah, can you guess where it will be held?
How about in an outbound place?
Oh yeah, good idea. How about you guys?
I prefer to be indoors because many of the attendants are elderly because they are afraid that the weather will not be favorable.
I want to add more. So for the event, we can hold in it in the afternoon, and for the rain, we can handle it by making an emergency tent if it rains. Krungu ora? Banter. Ora iki.
Sorry, my connection is lost. Okay, fine. Then for the indoor venue, where do you think it will be held?
How about Gor UNY?
Okay, but first we have to ask permission from UNJ Public Relation. Okay, to ask permission, I leave it to skip.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I will take notes. Maybe. Okay, I will take notes. That means we have two choice. The first choice is at Gor UNY, and the second it is at the outbound place.
Yes, that's it. So for the first choice, we have to ask permission first. But if it is not allowed, Then we chose the second option.
Okay.
Okay, we have discussed the place and the next day we will make a rundown for the event.
I apologize for the event starting from when team until what team.
From 4 o'clock to half past 5 o'clock.
Okay.
And then from the time distribution, how are you guys?
How about 4 to 5 we use for audience conditioning?
Okay. Who was the MC before? Maybe for Sikit can be MC.
Okay,
And 50 minutes later, we give a speech from the dean.
oh yeah, that means we have to discuss with Dean. Okay, for Irsha, I leave you to ask permission.
And the next 50 minutes, we use it for documentation, and the next 50 minutes, we use it for motivation from Ustad Saifuddin. Okay, I think that's all. For Sikit, please send the result of the meeting to the Humanica member to help run the event.
Okay, Valde.
So that the result of the meeting are more blessed. Let's pray according to each other belief. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.